What's up guys, my name is Bron. Today I have a surprise for you. We are going to unbox a new router in the market. It is called Reyee Rg-RAP6262 It is Ax3000 version. This router is the hot cake in the market, especially for those of you who wants to venture into hotspot, bailing system and all that. It has a built-in software which covers all of that. So as you remember my last video, I bought a Starlink, so I can't use it alone. I have to share with my neighborhood and people in the house. So I mean, we can get something to also pay the bills of the Starlink, you understand? So we are going to make a use of this router. So we are going to unbox it so you know how it is. And if you want to get one for yourself, I mean, you can link up. So I'll plug you. So guys, this is the box. The box is massive. I don't know why. It's not really that big, but the box is, as you can see, the box is massive. And the small box here is PoE adapter for the router. So if you don't know what PoE adapter is simply the adapter that is powering the Reyee router. So I'm going to unbox it so we see what is inside the box and you get to know if you are buying it. So let me get my scissors, right? So first of all, let me get the solid tape out. Okay. Let me get all the solid tape out. So let's first unbox the adapter. Okay, this is the PoE adapter. So if I open the adapter, this is how it looks like. It has a little manual for the adapter. Okay, this is the PoE adapter. Hold on. So let me show you. This is where you plug it, and this is where your PoE cable goes, the RJ45 cable, and also this is the LAN connection. So it's kind of heavy, not really. So in the box, you also have the power connection for the PoE adapter. So that is the only thing in the box: the manual, the cable, and the adapter, or the PoE adapter. So let's put it here. And then let's bring the massive box, okay? So this is the main router. So let's see, how do I want to seal this one? Okay, I don't want to, oh God. There's a lot of solid tape on this thing. Anyway, let me cut it from this side. There's a lot of solid tape because, you know, if they ship something from abroad, they don't want it to spoil. So, I mean, they have to protect it. Okay. Wow. Okay. So, put this on here. So, in the box, this is what we have. Let me open it so you can see. It is very massive, as you can see. The first thing we come across in the box, let me go like this so you can see. The first thing we come across is the manual, okay? So let me put the manual here. There's another manual. Maybe this is advanced level, right? So I don't know. And this is, I think, a mounting plate or something like that, but it's a plastic though. We are going to know, we will know what we will use it for. So in the box, let me pull the first. Why did they make this thing heavy like that? Wow. So let me put it right there. So in the box, we have a metal mount. This thing is heavy. A metal mount. We have, I think it's kind of a zip tight, but a metallic zip tight, and also a metallic mount. If you want to mount it on a wall, you're gonna need this to mount it because I think the thing is going to be a little bit heavy. So in the box, the mount and also the zip, or maybe a metallic wrap, however you call it, right? So here it comes the main router. Okay, there's a little pipe, I think it's for water prevention, like installation, so that no water can enter into the cable or the router. So let me put that one here, and here we come, the massive. That's the reason why the box is heavy. Okay, so this is the whole thing people have been talking about. So if you look at the side, Wi-Fi 6, crazy, Wi-Fi 6, right? Wi-Fi 6. So as you can see, this is the whole thing you get. So you mount it and like it forms like a dome, round like that, like a ball. That is how the coverage is like 360 coverage. So no matter how you want to install it, whether on a pole, in a building, or like, you cover all the 360 degrees because of the shape of the router. So if you pull this one, I think this is where the, let me screw it, let's see what is there. All right, RJ45 connection goes. This is where the RJ45 connection goes, and this is PoE. If you want to use what do you call it, a power cable other than the PoE adapter cable, because the PoE can pick power from your network cable. So that's, and the other one is a reset connection. So that's the thing you get from the box. So we are going to do the installation of this thing, and then I'll power on and we'll see how the connection will go, and also test the speed and also share with you. Thank you for watching. My name is Brown. Enjoy the rest of my videos. Peace.